Zazu sure likes getting into everybody's business.
It's his job, Foolie. He looks out for all the animals in the Pride Lands, even us. Remember that time he was after you to slow down when we were little?
Which time?
The time Bunga and I ran into the crocodiles.
Zukazama!
There you are! Kion, didn't your father tell you to stay put?
Oh, Zazu! Me and Bunga are on an adventure!
Coming through! Hawaii!
Now, see here, young cheetah, you need to slow down.
Slow down! Got it! Hawaii!
That's not slowing down. Foolie. And as for you two... Kion, Bunga, oh dear, where have you gotten to?
Adventure, here we come!
Yeah!
Crocodiles!
Crocodiles! Big deal! They can't stop us! Zukazama!
Bunga, wait for me!
All right, Quackity Quacks! Out of the way!
What's this?
Looks like a snack.
Careful, crocodiles! You don't want to mess with us!
Who do these little ones think they are?
I'm Bunga. He's Kion. And you Crocs are in our way!
Little cubs, this is crocodile territory. You should leave now.
Unless you mean to challenge me.
Oh yeah, that's right. You bet your bumps I'm gonna challenge you. What does challenge mean?
Hey, if you're messing with Bunga, you're messing with me!
Oh, good. 2 tasty snacks at the same time.
Yummy.
Enough!
Zazu?
I expect it's merely an oversight on your part, Pua. But surely you did not intend for Makoo to eat the son of the king?
This is the son of the king?
Him, not me.
I hardly think the king would be pleased if your crocs gobbled him up for no reason.
No reason? These 2 came to our watering hole and challenged us. We have every right to eat them.
Makoo is right, Zazu. King Simba knows and respects our ways.
Very well, Pua. I too respect the crocodile ways, but as Kion's well-being is my responsibility, I offer myself in his place.
Huh?
Unbelievable!
Though I am but a humble advisor to King Simba, I expect I will satisfy even the most discriminating of palates.
Simba is a good and fair king. I would not want to anger him by eating his son or his royal advisor, especially one who displays the bravery of a crocodile. You 3 are all free to go.
Fine. I wasn't that hungry anyway.
Kion, you and your friend should not come here uninvited again.
Yes, sir.
Come you two, quickly, back to Pride Rock before Pua changes his mind.
Huh, I forgot all about that.
Zazu jumped into Makoo's mouth to save you? That's brave.
He had to rescue you. You're the king's son.
Foolie, he was in Makoo's mouth. Not everyone can be that brave.
I'll say, and I know all about being brave.
Sure sounds like bravery to me.
Maybe.